Rigid, ready, right is Sapphire's distinct promise to the construction industry, part of which is right. When a new car is delivered, it is expected to be complete and problem-free. We believe balconies should be the same. And that's why we promise to have traceable proof that each balcony has been inspected to the required standard so that every balcony is supplied right. Each balcony has a unique identity and is subjected to a series of individual quality checks to ensure that each balcony meets the required standard. We like to build prototypes ahead of time so that clients can visit and agree on what the required standard is. Quality control is something we take incredibly seriously at Sapphire. It is vital for us to guarantee that each balcony we supply is right. We have rigorous quality control checks to ensure that all our balconies are right when they arrive on site. We understand that damage can occur on site, and therefore, if you use one of our accredited installers, any damage to a balcony before the issue of an installation completion certificate will be promptly attended to and rectified by Sapphire. If you feel and report that a balcony is not right, we will ensure a visit is made to site within 3 working days to investigate the problem. Once an investigation has been conducted and the balcony has been rectified to the required standard, we will give a refund of £100 per balcony affected. Let's hear what Berkeley directors have to say about Sapphire's balconies at the Woolwich Royal Arsenal.
Done yourselves proud really, it was really good. Everything worked as it should do, there was no blame on the other party, so yeah, I'd say it's worked really well. The snags that we've had, particularly on our Phase 6 development, have been very minimal. What do exist have been dealt with quickly, easily, efficiently. You can see the building in the window, it looks very sharp and the quality's pretty exceptional.
That is our guarantee, the Sapphire Guarantee. Rigid, ready, right.